Hi, this is Dr. Boden with the Hair Restoration Center of Connecticut. Thanks very much for tuning in. I'm actually pretty excited to show you some pictures of a patient today. His name is Kevin. He's a man in his late 50s, an active guy. He's pretty confident, feels good about himself. Did not like that his hair was thinning. He was Norwood 4 to heading to Norwood 5 with some generalized thinning. His focus was to reinforce the front and the crown. It's interesting. It's somewhat of a subtle change. When we met, for his 1-year follow-up, he said, I think it's been a pretty nice change. My wife has commented it looks fuller. My hairstylist says it looks better. And I guess it's better. And then we looked at the photos from a year ago, and he was really uplifted. I mean, kind of stunned, like, oh, right, I've gotten used to having hair now, and I don't really register what I used to feel like. But now that I look at those pictures, I remember how self-conscious I was. We did approximately 2/3 or 3/4 of the work to reinforce the front and about 1/4 to reinforce to give him some density for the crown. We did a single FUT procedure. He's on medication to support what he has, and I expect great long-term results.